Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can switch templates on Wix. It's gonna be easy, so make sure to watch it until the very end. To start, go to your web browser and then search for wix.com/template. It will then direct you to your Wix website. From here, tap on Create New Site. Now tap on Get Started. You can now set up your new website. After that, you can now select a theme for your website. Just pick a theme that you like, but you can keep in mind that you can easily change it later. And then tap on Continue. Now tap on Build Site. And now after creating your new website, you realize that you want to change something. For example, you want to switch your template. But you can't actually do that. But you can tap on the edit button, and then from there you can add or delete something or some features on your site. But if you want to switch or change templates on your Wix website, what you are going to do is to create a new website. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.